Hello and welcome back to Miss Hewlett's music class. Today is Monday and we have a whole new week of getting to do some musical things at home. So this week at RES, the elementary schools in Rollins, we are teaming up with all of the specials teachers to learn about inventions and engineering. So Mrs. Mishke, our STEM teacher, reads a book called Rosie Revere Engineer. And she talks about how she invents certain things. So I thought it would be kind of cool if we invented some things in music. So this week we are going to focus on finding out different things that can make sound and be made into instruments from our own homes. Can you imagine? Okay, so first I wanted to talk to you about one really important person who invented an instrument, and it's now known as one of the most popular instruments in the world. It's called the saxophone. Okay, the man who invented the saxophone, his name is Adolph Sax, and he came up with the idea to create this instrument. And I know it has all sorts of keys and looks really complicated, but that idea still came from one person. So it is possible for you to invent something, and then all of a sudden, all sorts of other people use it, and it's used for a common good. So your challenge is to find at least 2, maybe 5 different things that you can make some sort of music or sound with in either your house or outside. Okay, so I have some examples that I got from my house. Okay, here are some leaves that are really dry and crinkly, and they make a nice kind of crackly sound. Okay, I also have a hair clip which closes really tight and makes kind of a snappy sound. So you could use that to make some sort of a composition or an instrument. Okay, and then these spoons are actually already an instrument. They're used in a lot of Celtic music, so in like Ireland and Scotland and those countries, but there are also other versions of spoons that are used in a lot of other places as well. So spoons, you usually set them up back to back, kind of backwards, and then you play them back to back. Okay, and then really good people that play spoons can get them to go super duper fast, usually in dance music. So that's kind of cool. But those are some options that I have. Another invention that was made by people that benefited a lot of generations for people listening to music was the album, the LP. It's what I'm wearing on my shirt. So before we had iPods and before we had Spotify and YouTube and all those things that you can listen to music on, we had the record, okay? The vinyl album. So that was an invention created by somebody just to bring music to the masses so that way people could actually listen to other music at home instead of just live music that they heard from people sitting next to them. So that was a huge invention that changed the course of music forever. And the inventions that you make might change the course of music that you go into too. So I would love to see what you come up with. And until then, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.